Good morning, my lovers. Oh, it's cold this morning. I decided to get up really early, like 8 o'clock. Well, it's not that early, but early for me. I'm not a morning person, but it's cloudy and it's about 17 Celsius, which is about 10 degrees lower than what it's going to get to. So I thought if I start early, I could get all my hours in and do my detecting before it starts to get really hot. Oh, I got cyclists coming, I better shut up. Morning. There's a second cyclist I've seen on this road. Must be a popular pastime. Oh, and some horse poo. Oh, fresh country air. Lovely jubbly. Oh, can I see some birds of prey? You can always tell birds of prey because they flap a lot. They're definitely flapping a lot. He's got something caught in his mouth. He's got like a mouse or something flying along with it. Oh, oh. 17 now. 17 in the winter would have been lovely and warm. Oh, we've got a van coming with bales of hay on board. You see, my lovers? Right, I'll see you on the field. Oh, I've made it, my lovers. Oh, I've been walking around for half an hour looking for my first target and I've not found anything. I think the ground is very dry and it's not picking anything up. So I might revert to just digging iron signals today. The cloud that was here was thick, dense cloud when I got here half hour ago. You look at it now. You look at it now, my lovers. There's hardly a cloud in the sky. Look, it's all been burnt off. So it's going to be another hot day. This was a super faint signal on the surface, my lovers. I can't understand it. The ground feels wet. It's dampish. Just must be where it's dryish on the surface. Must be preventing the metal detector from working properly. So what have I got here? Oh, a nice bit of flat iron. Oh, it's got a rim. It had a function. Pesky stuff. Right, on to the next. God, this is the best signal I've had in over an hour. It was better a minute ago. Yeah, that's the best signal I've had in over an hour, so it's very dry today. It's going to be worse in a week. Again. Looks like silver. see some discoloration of the soil. It's looking good. Oh, ow, oh God. Oh, look at that, my lovers. Look at that. It's a spectacle buckle. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's get some better light on it. Oh yes, spectacle buckle. There's the pin all rusted away. Oh, looks like a really nice one. I go and get a toothbrush. Here it is, my lovers. Let's give it a brush together. Shall I risk a little bit of water on it? I think I might just risk a bit. Right, let's give it a swill off. There's my lovers, look at that. What a little beauty. Little flowers on there. Little Tudor flowers, I expect. Roses, maybe. That's going to be something like 13th century. Well, so what's that? That's 700-year-old buckle. Woohoo! Right. Hopefully we can find some more. But you saw how bad that signal was. That was only 9 inches down. So, the ground's very, very dry. Oh, my lovers, I just about 10 feet away is that buckle, and I just had another very, very faint signal. And I tell you what, I can see the coin. It's just here. That would have been a banging signal if the ground had been wet. But it was very, very faint. It was a 50-50. I almost walked on. Right. Let's see what it is. Oh, well, it looks a bit like a George the Third. Oh yeah, it's George the Third. See Britannia, it's all bent. It's been hit by the plough at some point. Oh yeah, I can see his big nose just there. Yeah, that would have been a banging signal if the ground had been wet. Right, let's give it a bit of a clean. These coins are always a bit cream crackered, so I don't mind giving it a bit of a rub when it dries out. Right, there it is, my lovers. Yeah, George the Third. You see his big nose. If it wasn't for Mad King George, we'd still own America. It could be, what is it going to be now? Is the United States of Britain. Make America Great Britain again. Yeah, that's what we want. Right, on to the next. Oh, I don't know what the time is, my lovers, but it is starting to get pretty warm now. There's not a cloud in the sky. Nope. Oh. Well, I reckon I should stop when I start seeing hallucinations. Oh. Yeah, the ground's starting to wobble. Oh. Right, let's have a quick rest. We can't rest for long because the longer I rest, the higher the temperature goes. Oh, my shorts have gone. I got a big tear in my shorts. That's going to be awkward going down the pub. Oh, nightmare. Still, expect no one to be there. I could walk in backwards. No. Oh, I need some new shorts, my lovers. Oh, I'll give you a quick look. Oh, look! Can't see nothing, there's a liner, so don't worry. Oh. Oh. Oh, let's have a puff on my vaporizer. So I found a hot spot now, I think. I got that buckle and that George III coin. It's probably about 100 years difference in age. George III is 1806. So that buckle is probably 600 years old. It's amazing, isn't it? George III. That's when colonials ran America. Redcoats. Must be bottle popping. Or was it? Not too sure on the Civil War. Is it not the Civil War, the other war? It was George the third time though, wouldn't it? I think. Yeah. Anyway. Not that great on history. At least there's a bit of wind. The trees are all moving over yonder. Oh, right, just as I say it, the wind stops. Oh, typical. But you can see the trees moving a bit. Right, I'm going to have a little rest here. I'm going to get on and see if I can find some more stuff before the temperature gets unbelievably high. Look what I just had here. I wasn't expecting this. I could have sworn it was going to be iron. And I think it probably is iron. I think it might be a clad coin, like a 2p or something. Oh yeah, 2p. There it is. This was giving me a proper iron signal. Can't see much of the rust on it though. Yeah. Right, modern spendable. Just about. You can put it in one of them machines you get in Tesco's. You won't be able to spend this in the shop very easily. Right, on to the next. Oh, look at this signal I got here. £12.34. How about a nice big fat gold sovereign? That'd be nice, wouldn't it? A nice bit of gold. That would make my week. Oh, I can see something green. There's a bit of green there, look. Oh, I can see a coin. Yeah, it's a coin. And it's not gold, unfortunately. Oh. And it looks well mangled. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to have to give this a bit of a clean. See if I can get anything off of it. It's a bit of an irregular shape. Right, I'll give it a clean up. Unfortunately, my lovers, it is a coin of almost complete nothingness. Well, it is nothingness. It's nothing on there at all. Just completely had it. Nope. Funny line going across there. And what looks like two little holes. Right, on to the next. Oh, look what I found here! Ugh, is it nice? Got something on it for a change. I'll have to let it dry up and give it a rubber dub dub, methinks. Ugh, this is getting hotter and hotter and hotter. I'm gonna have to pack in soon. It looks like that. Can I see George there? Then I'll have to let it dry and then I'll give it a rubber dub dub. Nope, my lovers, it is a coin of near nothingness. Ugh, wish I could find a really nice one for you. Right, on to the next. Oh, it's really hot now. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is when the temperature really is rising. The mercury is rising. Right, I'm off to the pub for some jars of ale, and I hope no one notices a huge tear in my shorts. But it's got a line now, they can't see anything, and I'm wearing underpants, so it's not like anything's going to plop out. Right, I was just putting my bike up, doing my bike up, and I'm just standing there getting cooked. I'm off to the pub for some jars of ale. Cheers! Oh. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I bet you will wish you were here. Thinking some nice cool beer.
I'll do so much for my true love, as any young girl may. I'll sit and mourn all on your grave for 12 months and a day. With 12 months and a day were up, and the ghost began to speak. Why sit you